So let's talk about Sante Edge presentation. Ano tong Sante company, ano tong ipapakita namin sa inyo para mas maintindihan nyo lalo, focus and watch this video.
As the world moves fast into digital commerce, we want every Sante partner to stay ahead, ready to sell, share, and scale your business anywhere. That's why we're introducing something new, a system that captures what the future of business really looks like. Introducing Sante Edge. Sante Edge means e-commerce, dropshipping, and global entrepreneurship. It's our holistic business opportunity that allows you to run your Sante business anytime, anywhere. Whether you're selling online, managing your own dropshipping store, or expanding globally.
Importante ho ba na pagpapasok ka sa isang negosyo or partnership, matibay yung company? Yes, of course, no? Bakit maganda yung company? Because ito po yung napapanahon. Ito yung trend. Most of the people ngayon, no, ma-encounter mo, sa kanila ngayon, importante na yung health. Tama ba? At kung inisip natin na hindi, pang ano lang yan, pang may age lang, hindi. Marami ako na-encounter ng mga tao, no? Kahit mas bata sila, okay, mas importante sa kanila yung health. Hindi ka makapag-perform pag hindi ka healthy. Tama ho ba? So ito, we have our, hindi lang high quality, a premium products, no? Ano po ba yung product natin? Ang produkto po natin, kung bakit tayo matibay, no, 18 years, is barley. Let's watch this video.
Sante is more than barley. We bring wellness to every heartbeat of your day. Daily C, your daily defense with non-acidic vitamin C. Sante Barley Fusion Coffee. Smooth energy with the goodness of barley grass powder. Fit and trim. Zesty green tea lemon drink with barley grass and L-carnitine to keep you light and support your wellness goals. Sante Barley Boost Coffee. Bold flavor with Tonkat Ali to power your day. Sante Choco Barley. Chocolatey goodness with barley grass benefits in every sip. Moments in Ion sanitary pads and panty liners. Breathable comfort with an Ion strip technology. Natural toothpaste. Fluoride-free oral care with barley grass powder, tea tree oil, chamomile, and aloe vera for a fresh smile. From the gentle care you feel to the glow you see, barley and collagen work together to nurture your skin. Beyond skincare, Sante Beauty also has drinkable care, giving you beauty that starts within. Every step toward wellness, every pause for self-care, every moment of total well-being. Sante moves with you in every moment for everyone.
Bakit barley, no? World class. So watch this video.
At Sante, we know that you need to go further to find the best. And that's why we grow our barley at the edge of the world in New Zealand, where the air is clean and the water pure. Here in the heart of New Zealand's South Island is where Sante grows, harvests, and packages its barley. Water comes from unpolluted skies and deep from artesian wells. The region has a cool, temperate climate and unfiltered sunlight that are perfect for barley to thrive. The soil is fertile and rich in essential nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. All of this makes Canterbury the best place on earth to grow the finest barley. New Zealand has some of the world's most rigorous organic certification programs. Our barley is free from pesticides and herbicides and is certified organic by BioGrow to grow the finest barley in the world for a healthier tomorrow. Sante, the finest barley from the fields of New Zealand.
Growth that rewards, a proven compensation plan. How to become a Sante partner. So very simple lang po, no? Ang kailangan mo lang pong gawin, choose an activation pack. Mapansin nyo po, lahat po ng package po natin may mga star. The more na maraming star yung package mo, mas marami pong bonuses, mas malaki ang income. Ang maganda po dito, 10 po yung ways to earn natin. Pero hindi ko di-discuss lahat. Ano kalupit ito? Let's watch this video.
This is the 10 ways to earn with the new Sante Edge program, your smarter, faster, and more rewarding way to grow your Sante business. Number 1, personal purchase bonus. Your journey starts with the product. When you join Sante and enjoy the products yourself, earn from every repeat purchase. As you consistently order each month, you get 2% to 10% back based on your rank and total purchases. You use it, you trust it, and you already earn from it. Number 2, retail bonus. As your trust in the brand grows, you naturally start sharing it with others. Every time you sell Sante products, you earn up to 40% retail profit. Buy at a discount, sell at retail price. Keep the difference. No limits. The more you sell, the more you earn. Number 3, fast start bonus. When people see your results, some will want to do the business with you. Every time you sponsor a new business owner, you earn a fast start bonus of up to 30%, paid instantly. Your bonus depends on the package they choose and your rank. Fast action, fast rewards. Number 4, rising star bonus. New business owners are rewarded for taking action early. This is a 30, 60, and 90-day challenge that gives extra bonuses for sponsoring partners and building momentum. Do the right actions early and get paid more while you grow. Number 5, infinity bonus. As your team grows, this is where long-term income begins. You earn from matched commissionable volume, CV, in your left and right teams, paid in real time. The more balanced and active your organization is, the more you earn, up to $15,000 per week per account. Number 6, mentorship bonus. When your new business owners succeed, you succeed even more. You earn up to 50% of their rising star bonus simply by guiding and supporting them. This rewards real leadership, helping others win, not just recruiting. Number 7, leadership bonus. As you rank up, your leadership impact grows wider. You earn additional income from your team's infinity bonus up to 10 levels deep, depending on your rank. With dynamic compression, no earnings are wasted. Active leaders always get paid. Number 8, one-time achievement bonus. Every rank up is celebrated. From executive director up to green diamond executive director, you receive a one-time cash or luxury reward. This bonus is paid the moment you advance, recognizing your growth and leadership milestones. Number 9, global bonus. Top leaders share in a quarterly global reward pool. Qualified diamond executive, directors, and above earned shares based on performance, not just title. The stronger your leadership and team development, the bigger your share. Number 10, Dream Quest bonus. This is where achievements turn into lifestyle rewards. Start with gadgets that support your productivity. Travel the world through local and international travel incentives. Achieve the house or car incentive as your business grows. And for elite performers, the global travel incentive, a journey beyond success. 10 ways to earn. One powerful program. From using the product to sharing, mentoring, leading, and enjoying global rewards, Sante Edge rewards every stage of your journey. Build smart, earn fast, led stronger. This is Sante Edge.
Now, ito yung exciting part. Fast start bonus. Ano po yan? Kada sinishare mo yung business concept na to, okay, babayaran ka ng company. If you share this, at mas masipag ka mag-share, mas babayaran ka na mas malaki. So, example, ikaw yan, 1-star business owner. May na-introduce ka sa business, ang binili po, ano? Builder pack. Again, yung star nyo mag-determine ng laki ng kita ninyo. Tandaan ha, itanong nyo mamaya sa nag-invite sa inyo. Your bonus is $30 US. Pwede na? Yes. Okay. Now, next sample. How about ikaw ay 2-star business owner? Meron ka na-introduce, builder pack. Magkano ang iyong bonus? $60 US. Ito po ay real-time payout. Ang nakaka-excite dito is this. Pagka-encode po niyan, refresh lang, nandun na yung income mo. Ano lang, di ba? And by the way, wala pong limit. Kahit ilan yung maimbitahan mo na bumili ng package. Okay? What if ikaw ay 3-star? May na-sponsoran ka? Global pack. Okay. By the way, itanong ito ha. Napakagandang package yan. Gusto mo kumita na mas mabilis, mas malaki. Magkano po ang iyong fast start bonus? $350 US. What if ikaw ay 5-star business owner? Ayan yung global pack, no? 5-star ka. May na-sponsor ka, dinala mo dito, pinakilala mo sa amin, no? Ang binili niya po ay global pack din. Magkano ang iyong bonus? Tingnan natin. $600 US. Pwede na po ba? Side hustle? Extra income? Yes, no? So again, wala pong limit. So ito yung maganda. Ito yung game changer. Kaya ako excited. Di ba may fast start bonus? Meron pa tayong rising star bonus. Para sa niya, no? Meron pong tinatawag na percentage pa doon sa nakuha mong bonus. Paano yun? Ibig sabihin, kikita ka po ulit sa kita mo. 90 days rewards. Rising Star Bonus rewards new members who take fast action in their first 30, 60, or 90 days. Ang tawag ko dyan, tone setter. Kaya tanong nyo agad dyan sa nag-invite sa inyo. Bigyan ko kayo ng sample, no? Halimbawa, ikaw ay may na-sponsor yung Global Pack, tama? Magkano yung ano mo? Kung ikaw ay 5-star, $600 US. Okay? So may mechanics lang yan. So may minimum, halimbawa, nakatatlo ka. First 30 days. Yung $600 US mo na yun, sa Rising Star, okay, on 30 days, no? For 30 days, nakatatlo ka. Dodoble ng Sante yun, may percentage. So, another $600 yun. Maganda ba yung business? Eh, wait, wala pa. Meron pa tayong infinity bonus. Yung kanina, fast start bonus yun sa effort mo lang. Ito po, kahit hindi mo na effort, babayaran ka pa. O, paano yan? Okay? So, lahat po ng bibilihin sa left and right team mo, mapapackage, okay, mapa-repeat order, lahat yun babayaran. Ito yung mechanics lang po, no? Halimbawa, ikaw yan, okay? Yung first two mo, lagay mo sa left. May system yan, okay? Tuturo din sa'yo nag-invite sa'yo. First two sa left, and then, yung pangatlo mo sa right. Open na yung infinity mo niya, no? Ito yung left team mo, ito yung right team mo. Right? Pag meron po ditong 100 CV, remember saan galing ang CV? Sa package or sa products na binili, no? At may 100 CV sa right, ang tawag po dyan, 1 cycle. At 1 cycle, magkano po? $10. So, halimbawa, ikaw yan, may dalawa ka, tapos ito yung isa mo sa right side. Let's say ito po, yung kabila mo, bumili siya, builder pack. Magkano ang CV? 200. Yung kabila po, bumili po, ultimate pack, 1,500 CV. Kukumpitin na ba yan? Hindi pa. Kasi bumili pa to. Okay? Bumili siya, ilan? 30 canister times 15 CV, 450 CV. Kukumpitin mo na yan. Okay? So, 200 CV plus 450 CV, ilan po yan? 650. Okay? Plus dito, ilan total lahat? 1.5. So, bibilangin ng system, hindi na ikaw magbibilang. May dashboard ka. Ilang cycle yan? So, babayaran po dyan yung buo. Yung buo na lesser points. Ayan. So, meron kang 6 cycles. Magkano ang income mo? $60. Pwede na ho ba yan? Pero to tingnan nyo, ilan pa lang yan? 3 pa lang yan. Ito po ba, pwede rin mag-introduce ng business? Of course, tama. Pwede rin magkaroon ng rising star? Of course, yung kanyang first direct saan nilalagay? 1, 2. Ito, ganun din ba? Yes, 1, 2. Ito rin ba? Ganun din gagawin? Lalalim? Mag-rising star sila? Ano mangyayari sa infinity bonus mo? Sabog yan. So, paldo ka dyan, tama ba? Lalalim yan eh, kaya nga infinity. At ang bayad sa'yo, hindi peso. Anong bayad sa'yo? Dollars, di ba? At hindi po every midnight, tuwing kailan? Real-time payout, di ba? Ito yung maganda. Nakita nyo kanina yung CB, yung yung may cycle, may income ka, di ba? Lahat pa ng pumasok sa left team mo at saka sa right team mo, whether effort mo or effort nila, lahat yun may points. Ang tawag doon, Dream Quest bonus. Ano pong kinalaman nun? Lahat po ng points na yon, points pa yon sa travel mo. For free, okay? Meron tayong 4 quests. Quest number 1, entry level. Ano po yan? Pwede kang magkaroon ng gadget and luxury incentive. Quest number 2, adventure level. Ito, regional travel incentive. Hindi ko sukat akalain, itong Sante, hindi lang kami kikita. Alam nyo ba, pang ilang cruise na, I think pang 7 or 8 cruise na ng mother ko for free. Milestone level, house, or car incentive. Okay? Ito pong regional travel, nakailan na po ako dito, no? Many, many times, no? Pero ito, hindi ko sukat akalain. Because of this business, no? Kabili po kayo mag-asawa ng resort. Nangarap din po ako na maging komportable yung aking transportation. Hindi po ako mahilig sa kotse. Yung pangarap ko lang magkaroon ako ng ordinary car. And sa negosyo na to, may libre kaming 5 car. Pero mas matindi yung Dream Quest bonus ngayon. Then legacy level, global travel incentive. Okay? So ito po ang budget sa magka-qualify dito, 100,000. Dito po ang budget around 350,000 to 400,000. Okay, kami po mag-asawa, nag-qualify kami sa Greek Isle Cruise, 15 days. And then sa Iceland for 15 days. Dito pala, hindi ka lang hanggang Boracay, no? You can travel sa mga lugar na gusto mong puntahan ng libre. Maganda ho ba yun? And because of the points, no? Because you help your team members na gawin yung business. Ito po yung 4 quests natin. Merong susupport sa'yo. Ito yung maganda, no? Ano yung support na yan? We have marketing tools and collaterals. You will receive free mentoring and coaching. You have a customer service support, no, 24/7. You have a partner site. Napakaganda po ng ating partner site. Gaano katindi yung dropshipping natin? Gaano kalupit ito? Let's watch this video.
Tired of high startup costs and piles of inventory? With dropshipping, sell products without ever stocking them. No inventory, low costs, easy to scale. New to e-commerce? Our Learning Center and Content Library make it easy. Launch your store from anywhere with the tools to succeed. Start dropshipping today and grow your Sante business. Your business, our system. No limit. Sante Drop 360.
Worldwide yan, di ba? May umorder sa'yo, click mo lang sa partner site mo, dideliveran ng Sante.
What to do next? Kailangan mo lang po maging business owner. Para sa marami pang information, attend ka ng next big event para mas lalo mo siyang maintindihan. Thank you so much for giving me your time. it can also happen to you. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Congratulations in advance and see you at the top.